Hello everyone, welcome to this class. TET or ctet exam aspirants, especially art students, your pedagogy subject, social science, consists history subject part. Questions are going to ask history subject. So history is classifying into ancient, medieval and modern history. So here first I am going to present you important MCQs related to ancient in history. The chapters are ancient history, prehistoric age, then Indus Valley, Vedic age, Mahajanapadas, Buddhism, Jainism, Mauryas, Post-Mauryas or Guptas. So these are the various chapters from ancient Indian history. So here I am going to present you most expected questions. So see here one by one. The first question is the earliest evidence of agriculture in India is found at. So here four options are there. One is Harappa, second Mehergar, third Lothal and Kalibangan. So try to guess the right answer here. Evidence of agriculture in India found at first time. Earliest evidence of agriculture in India is found at. So I think all of you guessing the right answer. So check which is the right answer here. Mehergar. So it is a very important B. Mehergar, right answer. Next, second question. The Indus Valley civilization was a Chalcolithic civilization, Copper Bronze Age civilization, Iron Age civilization, Stone Age civilization. So which is the right answer? It is related to which period? Chalcolithic, Copper Bronze Age or Iron Age or Stone Age? Try to say the right answer. So here see the below answer which is right. Check your answer. It is age of Copper Bronze Age, B. Question number 3. The Great Bath is located at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholivira, Ropar. So which is the right answer? The Great Bath is located at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholivira, Ropar. So it is very popular Great Bath of Indus Valley Station located in Mohenjo-daro. See here, right answer. Next, question number 4. The Vedas were composed in Prakrit, Sanskrit, Pali, Brahmi. Vedas were composed in which language? Try to say the right answer. So yeah, check the answer. Sanskrit. Vedas composed in Sanskrit language. Question number 5. The Rigvedic society was mainly urban and commercial, pastoral and rural, industrial and militaristic. Rigvedic society. Urban and commercial, pastoral and rural, industrial and militaristic. So here check the right answer, pastoral and rural. Next question. Jainism was founded by Gautam Buddha, Parshvanatha, Mahavira, Makkali, Gosha. So it is a basic and general question. Jainism founded by Mahavira. Right. Next, seventh question. Buddha attained enlightenment at Saranath, Kushinagar, Bodhagaya, Lumbini. Enlightenment. Bodhagaya. Right answer is Bodhagaya. Check the right answer. Yes. Saranath, it is the Dharma Chakra Pratana place. Kushinagar, it is the death place. And Bodhagaya, it is the enlightenment place. So here, next, Magadha became powerful under Bimbisara, Ashoka, Pushyamitra, Harsha. Magadha. Bimbisara, Ashoka, Pushyamitra and Harsha. Magadha became powerful under which king? Try to say the right answer. Check here. Bimbisara. Next, question number 9. The founder of the Mauryan Empire was Ashoka, Bindusara, Chandragupta Maurya, then Ajata Shatru. So it is a general question and basic level. Maurya Empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya. Check here. Yes, right answer. The Arthashastra was done by Patanjali, Kautilya, Kalidasa, Panini. It is also important and general question. Arthashastra written by Kautilya or Chanukya. He has two names, Chanukya or Kautilya. Then, question number 11. Ashoka's inscriptions were written mainly in Sanskrit, Brahmi, Aramaic, Khroshti. It's also a very important question. Many more time asked in various types of exams. So his inscriptions were written mainly in which languages? Sanskrit, Brahmi, Aramaic and Khroshti. Check that answer. Correct answer is B. Brahmi. Northwest region used Khroshti. In northwest region used Khroshti. And mainly written language is Brahmi. Only in northwest region. That is a Khroshti. Question number 12. The Shaka era began in which year? 78 AD, 57 BC, 320 AD and 269 BC. Shaka. It is 78 AD. So here check the answer. Yes, right. Then question number 13. The golden age of ancient India is associated with Nandas, Mauryas, Guptas, Kushanas. This is also important question and also basic question. Guptas golden age, also very important. Yes, right answer. Next question number 14. The famous Chinese traveler Fahian visited India during Harsha, Ashoka, Chandragupta II, then Samudragupta. So right answer is Harsha. Check here. No, Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II. Fahian visited during Chandragupta II period. Question 15. The main occupation of people in the Indus Valley was agriculture, metallurgy, war, fishing. Especially Indus people's main occupation is agriculture. See here. Yes, right answer. Then 16. Who is called Napoleon of India? Skandagupta, Ashoka, Samudragupta, Harsha. So here the Gupta ruler Samudragupta, also called as Napoleon of India. Check here. Yes, right answer. Next question number 17. Lothal was an important center for pottery, dockyard, sculpture, iron industry. Actually, Lothal was located in Gujarat, in a coastal area, and especially it is port. So here dockyard also discovered in Lothal. So import center for dockyard. Yes, right answer. The next question number 18. The earliest script used in India was Brahmi, Devanagari, Kharoshti, Prakrit. The earliest script. Here the answer is Prakrit. Check here. No, Brahmi. The earliest script used in India is Brahmi. Then question number 19. The first Buddhist council was held at Rajgir, Kashmir, Vaishali, Pataliputra. First Buddhist council. The right answer is Rajgir. Check here. Yes, Rajgruha or Rajgir. Question number 20. The famous book Shakuntala was written by Kalidasa, Banabhatta, Vishakadatta, Bharavi. Shakuntala written by Kalidasa. Check here answer. Yes, these are the important 20 questions I presented you. So I think all of you understood here. So for next videos like this one, so kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for next coming notifications, and also share this information to your friends, and also comment about this class. Thanks for watching this video.